know where you'll go when you play with the backyardigans.
Return to Earth. It's time for a snack.
We'll be right back.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department. Rioting is taking place in front of the Viacom headquarters at 1 Astor Plaza in downtown Manhattan. Destruction to property and civil unrest is being reported. The riot is being attributed to the recent rebrand of Nick Jr. that discontinued the channel's mascots Moose and Zee. Do not participate in these riots, as you are putting your life in extreme danger and may be arrested and questioned. A curfew is in effect for all residents in a 3-mile radius of 1 Astor Plaza. If you are in this radius, stay indoors until an all clear is given.